लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। इट मे बी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू टू फॉलो द general principles upon which foreign business is carried on. But if you are to win your way in a firm which does business with the northern and southern states of America, you will have to try. No businessman, and above all, no businessman whose principal business is with foreigners, can possibly leave this branch of economics from his training. If he should refrain because of a general dislike of the science, he will surely suffer in the long run. The truth of this has been shown over and over again within my own circle, and I speak for your advantage. The principles may appear difficult to follow, and if you imagine the task beyond you, it will prove so. But be brave. Face the plain truth, and you will lighten the work and succeed, as you will deserve to succeed. Para change. Local authorities as borough and urban councils generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Either men or women may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do, if they think they have been unfairly assessed. But it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to prove their case and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharge. Stop.